Introducing the 2.4 gigabyte RC helicopter, the S37 Syma. This amazing helicopter is 47 centimetres in length and has a rotor span of 35 centimetres. It's a 3-channel remote control helicopter. It is not only large but fast too, complete with a high and low speed switch on the controller to give the pilot a greater level of control. Couple this with the enhanced controller that features an LCD display, 2.4 gigabyte operating frequency and a control range of up to 45 metres, and this helicopter is a very appealing choice for customers looking to further an interest in RC helicopters. You can fly this amazing helicopter inside or outside and it will give you hours and hours of enjoyment. Couple this with the enhanced controller that features an LCD display, 2.4 gigabyte operating frequency and a control range of up to 45 metres. Where is it? I've lost it. No, bring it this way. Where's the helicopter? Okay, well done. That is pretty awesome flying.
Oh, that was close. Wind. Slowing it, wind's slowing it, wind's slowing it, wind's slowing that. Oh, proper wind blowing!
Where's it gone? God, it's gone really high!
I can't get it back. Oh, come back, come back. Oh, wind.
Don't worry.
Shit, the wind's probably got that. Shit.
I've lost it. I can't. Oh my god! Found it.
She's back and she's found it. Is it damaged?
No. Look at that. It dropped from how many feet?
30?
It's dropped from 30 feet and it's still in one piece.
And it was the wind, honest.
Yeah,
And a bit of bad flying.